Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to bring you 30 entirely new and intriguing facts that you haven't heard before. These fascinating tidbits will cover a range of topics, from the wonders of nature to the quirks of science. Let's jump right in. 1. Did you know that the oldest continuously operating hotel in the world is the Nishiyama Onsen Kyokan in Japan, which has been in business since 705 AD? 2. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? 3. Did you know that the moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no sound on the moon and the sky always appears black? 4. Did you know that honey never spoils? A jar of honey discovered in an ancient Egyptian tomb was found to be over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 5. Did you know that the shortest person ever recorded was Chandrabahadur Dangi from Nepal, who was just 21.5 inches tall? 6. Did you know that the world's largest pizza, created in Rome in 2012, measured over 1,261 square meters, 13,580 square feet? 7. Did you know that polar bear fur is not white but actually transparent? It reflects visible light, making it appear white in snowy environments. 8. Did you know that octopuses have 9 brains? One central brain controls the nervous system, and each of its 8 arms has a mini-brain of its own. 9. Did you know that the most common name in the world is Muhammad? 10. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries are not? 11. Did you know that some turtles can breathe through their butts? This process, called cloacal respiration, helps them stay underwater for extended periods. 12. Did you know that the world's deepest hole, the Kola superdeep borehole in Russia, is over 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, deep? 13. Did you know that there are more possible iterations of a shuffled deck of cards than there are atoms in the known universe? 14. Did you know that the inventor of the telephone, Alexander Graham Bell, never called his wife or mother because they were both deaf? 15. Did you know that wombats produce cube-shaped poop? This helps prevent their droppings from rolling away and is used to mark their territory. 16. Did you know that the mantis shrimp can see polarized light and has 16 color-receptive cones in its eyes, compared to just 3 in humans? 17. Did you know that Venus is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise? 18. Did you know that a jiffy is an actual unit of time? It refers to 1/100th of a second. 19. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can lean away from the sun by up to 7 inches due to the expansion of metal on the side facing the sun? 20. Did you know that a blue whale's heart is so large that a human could swim through its arteries? 21. Did you know that the Amazon River is the world's largest river by discharge volume of water, but it doesn't have any bridges crossing it? 22. Did you know that the Guinness World Record for the most leaves on a clover is 56? 23. Did you know that the longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds? 24. Did you know that some birds, like pigeons, can detect Earth's magnetic fields and use them for navigation? 25. Did you know that the original name for the butterfly was flutterbee? 26. Did you know that the human body contains about 37.2 trillion cells? 27. Did you know that peanuts aren't actually nuts? They are legumes, like beans and lentils. 28. Did you know that the smell of chocolate can trigger relaxation by increasing theta brainwaves? 29. Did you know that the world's longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years? 30. Did you know that the Mountain of Butterflies in Mexico is the destination of the largest insect migration on Earth, where millions of monarch butterflies travel up to 3,000 miles from Canada and the United States?